Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing history on Microsoft Edge. Let's get to it. So first thing first, you're going to go in the top right corner, settings and more, click that. And here you're going to find the history. So click the history and it's going to show you all the history in your Microsoft Edge. So what you should do, click this icon here and it will going to show you to delete the browsing data. So on the time range, you can choose last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all the time, all time. So it's your preference which time range you're going to delete the data. So for me, I'm going to choose the last hour. So here you're going to see the browsing history, the download history, cookies and other site data, cache images and files, password, autofill form data. So it's up to you which are you going to choose. So for now, all these 4 boxes only. So hit clear now. So it will clear the browsing history within the time range that you choose. So that's pretty much it. Thank you.